Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on subtracting fractions with unlike denominators using the butterfly method. So our first example problem is 1/2 minus 1/12, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem using the butterfly method. So we cannot subtract fractions that have different denominators. So our first step is we have to find a common denominator. The quickest, most efficient way to find a common denominator is to multiply the two separate denominators. Well, there may be a more quick, efficient way, but this is one of the quickest and most efficient ways, and it does work. All right, so step one, we're going to multiply 2 times 12 to get our common denominator. 2 times 12 equals 24. So 24 is our common denominator. Now to get our numerators, we have to multiply each numerator times the opposite denominator. So we're going to multiply 1 times 12, and then we're going to multiply 2 times 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 1 equals 2. So we now have our new denominators in our new problem. So we have 12/24 minus 2/24. So now that we have a common denominator and we have our two different numerators, we can simply subtract our numerators and keep the denominator the same. 12 minus 2 equals 10, keeping the denominator the same at 24. And our answer, 1/2 minus 1/12 equals 10/24. Now if you want to reduce that, usually I keep the reducing the lowest terms video separate, but for this video I'll actually will reduce the answer to lowest terms. The common factor between 10 and 24 is 2. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So reduced to lowest terms, our final answer would be 5/12. 1/2 minus 1/12 equals 5/12. So 5/12 would be our answer if we reduce it back to lowest terms. Alright, I'm going to do one more example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. Alright, 1/2. Let's say I do 1/2 minus 3/8. That'll be our next example problem here. So, step one, we find a common denominator. Quickest way, we multiply our two separate denominators. 2 times 8 equals 16, so 16 will be our common denominator. Next, we multiply each numerator times the opposite denominator. That's why they call it the butterfly method, because it puts it in the shape of a butterfly. So 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. So next we subtract 8 minus 6. If I want to write the whole thing out like I did for the first problem, we have 8/16 minus 6/16. But 8 minus 6 equals 2. And our answer is 2/16. 1/2 minus 3/8 equals 2/16. Now if I want to reduce 2/16 to lowest terms, we divide the numerator and denominator by our greatest common factor. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And our final answer, our answer reduced to lowest terms would be 1/8. 1/2 minus 3/8 equals 1/8. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will be doing a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.